All right, here we're gonna be doing a replacement on the shower head. This is your favorite YouTuber, Brendan Miller at sfvsolarcleaning.com. We do some handyman work. We do everything. So this is a shower head replacement. Stick around. This is my replacement. I'm gonna make sure there's no debris. Everything's looking great. All right, I'm just gonna line it like so. Get it on there. All right, and from there, you want to tighten it. That's great. That's gonna work. And we're gonna stop the footage. So, no leaks. We get it right the first time. Okay, now it's your favorite YouTuber, Brendan Miller. Make sure you check out our website, sfvsolarcleaning.com. If you guys need some shower head replacements, give me a call. And you don't want a shortcut. You always want to go above and beyond to leave the customers along as how you found them. Okay. No shortcuts. All right. sfvsolarcleaning.com. Give us a call.